Hey guys, Bear here, and I'm here by myself, cause, one second, I'm texting Epic and one of my admins from the community right now, but anyways, plus she's gonna be watching this if she has any questions. So, we're gonna go over the basic moving around the Android and possibly iPhone, Discord menus, and all that stuff. So obviously right here is the friends you have online. Then you scoot over to the left, you have friends that are offline, and I don't know why it's showing that, considering I'm on Discord right now and it's showing all my friends. But anyways, then you have pending friend requests right here, suggested friends, and blocked people. Then you come over here to this thing just below the all, and but yeah, the three lines right beside the word friends. That's gonna open up your menu to your everything, your friend conversations, and your guilds, communities, whatever you made your groups, channels, whatever for, which we'll go over in another video. This one is just the basics right now. But then you come over here, you have this person with the plus sign beside. Obviously that's add friend. Now that brings me to another point. Down here you obviously see my name, RCMP Bear. Then you have the hashtag 8773. That's mine. You'd come up here, you type this. You type that, then send, and it would send me a friend request. You have to have this hashtag in there, and you can't have any spaces in between your last thing and yeah, and your numbers. Now, here's where you said have the invite friends to group. I don't use this very much, so, and I don't think you will either. But these are the basics. And next video we're going to go over managing your channels, groups, whatever, and how to create them. If you enjoyed this video, do like, leave, comment, subscribe. Bear it, guys. I'll see you next video. Bye, guys.